What do you think is the biggest misconception about scabies treatment? Is it that a simple vitamin capsule like ginseng could be the cure-all solution? If so, it's time to debunk this myth and shed light on the matter. Scabies is a serious, highly contagious skin infestation caused by a microscopic mite known as Sarcoptes scabiei. This tiny creature burrows into the skin, leading to intense itching and discomfort. It's not something that can be fixed with just a vitamin or two. Scabies is a malady that needs to be correctly diagnosed and treated with proper medical intervention, not with unfounded home remedies. Ginseng vitamins, while they may be beneficial for general well-being and potentially boosting the immune system, hold no scientific proof of being an effective treatment for scabies. Typically, treating scabies involves medications that you wouldn't find in your everyday vitamin aisle. These are prescription medications, often topical creams or oral drugs, specifically designed to target the mites causing the infestation and alleviate the symptoms. These medications are not something you can self-prescribe. They are given out by healthcare professionals, who first ensure a proper diagnosis of scabies. This is a crucial step because using these medications without an accurate diagnosis can lead to unnecessary side effects and may not resolve the underlying issue if scabies is not the cause. It's concerning to think that promoting unproven treatments could potentially cause harm and delay the necessary medical care. When it comes to scabies, relying on evidence-based treatments, not myths or conjecture, is of utmost importance. Only qualified healthcare professionals can provide an accurate diagnosis and suggest appropriate treatment options for scabies. Consulting them is not just a recommendation, but a necessity. So if there's an inkling of doubt or symptoms that point towards a scabies infestation, don't hesitate to seek medical attention promptly. The sooner the correct diagnosis is made, the sooner the right treatment can begin. Delaying can only lead to the spread of the infestation and the worsening of symptoms, making matters more complicated than they need to be. Remember, when it comes to health, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Trust in science, trust in evidence-based medicine, and most importantly, trust in professional medical advice.